Good morning, students. Welcome. Financial accounting problems. 15 onwards, we are passing journal entries by using types of accounts and the rules of it. Same as 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we are doing problem number 22. Okay, any transaction we are converting into journal entry by using language. Accounting is a business language. Converting the transaction into journal entry. In this process, we are remembering the types of accounts and their respective rules. Types of accounts and their respective rules. The rule is applied according to the type of the account. Question number 22. Look at the first transaction. Bought goods on credit from A. A is personal account. A is a personal account. We bought goods from A. A is giver. A is a giver. That's why his account is credited. His account is credited. Look at the rule, personal account rule. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay? Right. Now, goods, what we purchased, goods we purchased. So, goods are coming in real account. What comes in debit? Goods were debited in the sense we wrote to purchases. So now the entry is purchase account data to A account. Goods returned by B. Who returned the goods? B. B is a giver. Personal account giver credit. B is credited. What we are getting back? Goods. Why we are getting back? Because we sold goods to Y. B is returning. So that's why those are recorded as sales return. Those are recorded as a sales return. Okay. Next, paid carriage inwards. Carriage inwards is nothing but a expense. All expenses are debit. Expenses are debit. Carriage inward account data. Account data to cash account. Expenses were paid either in cash or check. Okay, so carriage inward is expense. It is debited because all expenses are nominal account. According to the nominal account, expenses, all losses and expenses to be debited. Okay, so carriage inward account data to cash account. Carriage inward paid. Carriage inward paid. Check 700 received from C in full settlement of debt 750. Very simple to understand. He has to give 750 rupees. Instead of 750, he gave 700 only. That is also in the form of check. So bank. So we are receiving check from C. We are receiving check from C for 700 rupees. Bank account data. Amount is 700. And we had a loss of 50 rupees. We had a loss of 50 rupees. That loss is discount allowed. All losses are debit. Discount account data. To from whom we receive C. How much amount? Out of 750, we received 700 check and 50 rupees is a. That's why The entry is bank account data, discount account data to C account. In this transaction, C is giver or receiver? Giver. For us, he is a giver. Okay. C account settled. Right. Next, paid insurance premium, like carriage, like a carriage. It is expense. It is a insurance premium account data. All expenses has to be debited. Insurance premium account data to cash account. Insurance premium amount is 150. Insurance paid. Insurance paid. Sale of typewriter. We sold old typewriter. We sold old typewriter. So we are getting cash. We are getting cash. Entry will be cash account data to typewriter account. Cash is which type of account? Real account. Cash is coming in or going out? Coming in. What is going out? Typewriter. Typewriter is a asset. Thank you. Amount is 1500. And the entry is sale of typewriter. Sale of typewriter. Okay. So can you answer my question? Cash is which type of account? Real account. Cash is coming in or going out? Coming in. What comes in will be debited. So cash is debited. Typewriter is asset. All assets are which type of accounts? Real account. Typewriter is coming in or going out when we sold? Going out. That's why it is credited. Okay. When any journal entry is based on logic, that is rules. Rules we have to apply according to the type of the account. Next, 1250 owing by M written off as the bad debt. Okay. 1250 owing by M written off as a bad debt. So during this pandemic, M is not getting money. That's why we gave 1250 to him. So he has to pay to us 1250, and still he is unable to get the money. And he told, when we asked, he told, I cannot pay. He cannot pay. That's why the debt became bad. That's why it is called as bad debts. Bad debts means which we cannot recover. Which we cannot recover. Is lost, 1250 is lost to us. Bad debts account data. All expenses and losses should be debited. Bad debts account data to M account. Bad debts account data to M account. Amount is 1250. Debt from B became debt from M, I think. Became bad debts. Became bad debts. Are unable to recover. Okay. Right. Next, sold goods to X on credit. What we sold? Goods. Goods are coming in or going out? Going out. So what goes out to be credit? And who is receiver? X. X is receiver. X account data. to sales account. X account data to sales account. Why sales were credited? Because goods are going out. Because goods are going out. Narration very simple for credit sales. For credit sales. Okay. Next entry. Ram owes 2850 and pays 2775 in full settlement of account. He is better than M. M told that I cannot pay a single buy. That's why total 1250 became bad to us. So Ram has to pay 2850 to us. He told that, brother, I can settle my account by paying 27750. Then the balance 75 rupees is a discount. Okay, we told no problem. Okay, na? The last 75 rupees I will pay. Okay, so that's why entry will be cash account data, discount account data to RAM account. Cash account data, discount account data to RAM account. Cash account data. He didn't say anything regarding this bank. Okay, earlier it is cash amount is 2775. Discount is 75. This discount is lost to us. Discount is 75 and this amount is 2850. 2850. Who is giver here? Who is giver? Ram. Ram account credit. So Ram account settled. Ram account settled. Right. Next, Messrs. A and O, who owes 6,000, become insolvent. Only 30% of the amount we received. 30% of amount only received. So these transactions are 30% of the amount due, realized or received. Okay. Remaining will be same loss, bad debts we can call it as a. So Messrs. A and Co due is how much? Is given. Messrs. A and Co. Amount is 6,000. So that 6,000. 30% of 6,000 is 1,800. 1,800. Remaining 70% will be treated as a balance. 4,200. Okay. Same like C and Ram. For C, total amount loss. For Ram, 75 rupees loss. For M and Co, A and Co, the loss is 4,200. Okay. So we are very open-hearted persons, I think. We are giving and collecting for less amount. A and Co account is settled. And the account is settled. Okay. Then the next one is issued a check in favor of Ashiram and Sons on account of purchase of machinery 7,500. What we purchased? Machinery we purchased. So machinery is coming in machinery account data. To what we issued, check we issued. That's why it is going out, it is credited. Amount is 7,005. 7,005. Okay. Machinery purchase. Machinery purchased. Okay. Right. Last entry. Mr. M. Last entry is paid Rao and Co. 4,490 in full settlement of debt 500. Paid Rao and Co. 490 full settlement of debt 500. Okay. We paid to Rao and Co. We can consider it as we paid. Okay. We paid to Rao and Co. Is receiver. Rao and Co. Account. To cash account. To discount account. Receive. Rao and Co. amount is 4,900. And discount received amount will be, that is 490, discount is 10. Narration is Rao and Co. account settled. These are journal entries. Okay. All journal entries we prepared past by using the rules and types of accounts as well as respective rules. Okay, you can see all this. Now, important next step. So, the definition of accounting is preparation of accounting is a recording, summarizing, and finally it will be reporting, classifying and summarizing. So we were recorded financial transaction, we were analyzed, categorized or classified into types of accounts, we applied the rules and we make them into a journal entry. So now the journal entries are classified according to their class or type. All cash accounts at one place, all bank accounts at one place, all salary accounts at one place, all Rao and Co. at one place, or all the transactions related to Rao and Co. So that place is called as a ledger. Place is called as a ledger. We have to open a separate ledger with the columns of date, particular JF number debit, date, particular JF number credit, and we have to post the related items in that particular ledger. You had an experience in intermediate. You may forget or you can recollect while I am doing that. So, ledger is a book or a file recording and totaling economic transactions measured in terms of monetary unit of account by account type, with the debits and credits in separate columns and beginning monetary balance, ending monetary balance for each account. Okay, we every day by opening our wallet, we are looking at what is the opening balance. We receive some pocket money while coming to college from parents. we kept in that. And end of the day, we will find again, we will count that one. What is the closing balance? And in between, we will record that expenses payments we made. Expenses payments we made. So usually wallet is having cash. That is called as a cash account. Called as cash account. So all the cash related transactions were posted in cash account. That account consists of beginning balance as well as closing balance, and we will transfer and post the items debit as well as credit. Later we will balance and come to conclusion. What is the closing balance? Very old type ledger you will find. Okay, very old type ledger. Look at this ledger, old type ledger. Now everything is maintained by computer. Everything is maintained by computers. Okay, date, items, folio number, debit amounts, again credit side, date, item numbers, folio, as well as a credit amounts. In similar manner, and you find out Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the alphabet numbers which we can easily find out. Salaries, simply search in yes. Ravan ko search at R, like that. Okay. So I opened your wallet account. Your wallet consists of cash. Na? Can I open your wallet account with the opening balance? Balance. We are writing brought down, which is brought down from yesterday, I think. And here I am getting closing balance. Carried down, in the sense balanced. Okay. Now, all the items which are related to cash, we post in this cash account. First one, purchases to A, no cash is there, just a moment. Right. Second one, sales returns to B, no cash related items. And the third one is carriage inward account data to cash account. So here cash is which side? It is showing credit. It is showing credit. So posting will be like this. If it is representing 2, then go to in ledger account credit side, and take the name of the debit account. Name of the debit account. What is the name of the debit account? Carriage inward. Amount is how much? 50 rupees. Okay, and the reference number, whatever the reference number which is in the ledger table that we have to write. Next one is here also cash is showing credit. Go to credit side of the account, take the name of debit account name and post the credit amount. Post the credit amount. Okay, are you able to understand? If the cash is showing credit here, go to ledger account credit side, take the name of the debit account, post the amount which is corresponding to cash. So to cash credit side, debit account name insurance premium and amount is 150. Is 150. Credit side starts with buy by insurance premium. Amount is insurance premium is paid cash 150. Right. So any reference number we can write. Next entry is journal entry is sale of typewriter. So we sold typewriter. Here cash is showing debit. So come to debit side of the account. Take the name of the credit account, credit, and post the amount of cash which is representing debit, which is representing against the cash. Okay? So cash account data to typewriter account. Cash account data to typewriter account. Amount is 1500. Amount is 1500. In this transaction, dates were not given to us. Sale of typewriter is 1250 owing as bad debts. Sold goods 12 credit item. Ram goes 2850 on page 2775 in full settlement. So Ram paid money. Right. So here cash account debit. We have to write credit account name. Amount is how much? 2775. Okay. So we have to write to Ram account. Amount is 2775. Next entry, M and Co. 20600. He paid only 30%. So in this also we recorded cash. M and Co. So this is cash account, okay, not bank. Cash account debit side to A and Co. Amount, cash amount is 1800. Little bit new to you. This one is little bit new. And when we are practicing, we can easily understand. A and Co. Amount is cash amount how much? 1800. In front of A and Co, you will see 6000. But we have to regard cash. Then cash amount is how much? 1800. But we are recording the opposite account name. Recording with the opposite account name. Withdrew for domestic use. We left with that. Now we forgot to enter that. IJK. To route. This is M. And machinery to bank is L. Now we will write K. K is withdrew for domestic use. Domestic use. Domestic use will be always drawings. Drawings account data. that is withdrawn from bank, we can treat it as withdrawn from bank or to bank account. Amount is 900. Narration is withdrawn for domestic use. Run for domestic use. So there is no cash in that. Paid to Rao and Co. And we paid amount is how much? 490. Debit amount, debit account name Rao and Co. We have to write credit side because cash is showing credit. And amount is 490. Is a Rao and Co. Is 490. So here the total amount will be 33,5075. I will write here 5075. The balance amount will be 5075 minus 690. You can use calculator, okay? In the examination, intermediate you are not allowed, but a degree you are allowed. 5075 minus 690. 4385. 4385 is the balance. Simple to understand. We don't have money in our wallet, but we received 5095 and we paid 690 and our cash account is closing balance. Our wallet evening balance is 3. Students, and we have to prepare all accounts, all ledger accounts, because next step is our trial balance. Trial balance is balance of all ledgers. Balance of all ledgers. That's why we have to prepare that one. Okay, students, bye.